To inspect and adjust the drive belt deflection on your Polaris Pro-RMK, follow these steps. Always measure drive belt deflection with both clutches at rest in their full neutral position. Park the snowmobile on a flat, level surface. Remove the left side panel by releasing the rubber strap and turning the 2 quarter-turn latches. Pull the panel out and lift up to remove. Next, place a straight edge on the belt. Then apply downward pressure between the clutches to measure the deflection. If adjustment is needed, remove the clutch spreader tool and spread the panels apart as needed. Next, loosen the jam nut on the belt width adjuster. Then, turn the set screw inward to increase the distance between the sheaves, or outward to decrease the distance. Once deflection has been set, hold the set screw and lightly tighten the jam nut. Next, remove the clutch spreader tool and spread the clutch 1/2 inch. Then torque the jam nut to specification. Next, remove the straight edge. Then, remove the clutch spreader tool while spinning the belt clockwise, and reinstall the clutch spreader tool. Recheck belt deflection once again, and repeat this process as needed. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the tabs at the bottom and top. Finally, secure the rubber strap and latch the 2 quarter-turn latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.